Ito pong low-carb lifestyle po na ito, at some point in your life, especially dun sa mga matagalan na naglo-low carb, mapapansin ng katawan na bumaba yung energy intake mo. So, anong gagawin ng katawan? Matalino kasi ang katawan. Especially your brain is designed to help you survive. So, when it's figuring out na kumukonte yung deposit, parang bangko din po yan, matututo siya magtipid. So, kumonte yung deposit, ano gagawin ng katawan? Magtitipid, magsuslow down yung metabolism. So, how do you go about it? Anong gagawin mo? So, there are a few different strategies. Kung kailangan pa rin talaga hindi pa kayo goal weight or napapansin nyo unti-unti na naman kayo nagiging ng weight, then go back to your basic foundation. Baka po medyo nagiging lax na kayo sa inyong pagkain. Baka po nagiging more liberal na kayo sa inyong paglo-low carb. Number 2, the importance of resistance training, muscle building, and the importance po of looking at the other aspects of health. A lot of times, weight gain can be related to emotional eating, mga kapatid, can be related to stress, can be related to poor sleep, and also, for example, other things like alcohol, right? Especially sa mga kababaihan po na katulad ko ay papunta na sa menopause. Karamihan ng mga kababaihan at this point in life, even though hindi naman ganun ka-excessive kumain, talagang nagigain na ng weight. So, very careful with things that can impact yung inyong insulin metabolism. So, things like caffeine, things like alcohol, for example, yung mga mahilig mag-wine, ano po. So, that can impact po yung inyong weight loss journey din po.